Okay, ano po kayo?
Humanoid.
Initiative kung paano natin ito papangalagaan. Ano nga ba ang sustainability? Meron po akong short video clip for napapanood for you to know the things and what is museum for. But before that, ang grades grade 10? Grade what?
Especially where the progress can seem enormous for a yourself. How many is not cheap? And funnily enough, the best place to start is right in yourself. There's a goal, and someone problem you should be after. And don't forget businesses. Ask them what they're doing. Tell them what you're doing.
Nikki, are you good, Nikki?
Alright. You can even ask to meet up there. There's the whole world to think about. Let the United Nations know that you care about the goals. It will help them get all the countries in the world to work together more. The best way to make sure they pay attention is if you tell them how you got.
Ako partnership yung mga jowa.
Hindi pala natin pwedeng ma-achieve ang 17 SDG ng iisang tao o ng iisang kumpanya lamang. Kaya po, sana yung mga nandito ngayon ay makatulong natin ay
Reliable,
kung ano man po ang mga dalang bagay sa pagpasok sa aming museum ay nagsan po walang IDs or kahit anong girls,
Bye! Washing ko kayo.
Yum, 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 yum.